Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Karen turns simple warning into arrest. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man. Let's do it.
This is how a simple encounter escalates into pure chaos.
Hello, where's your bike?
At home.
Okay, so why do you have the bike rack up blocking your license plate?
I didn't realize it was like blocking my license plate.
But
it wasn't.
you literally have to attach it to where your license plate
around. It might have slid down.
Okay, do you have your driver's license, registration, insurance?
Is it against the law to have my bike back? I mean, I didn't realize
It's against the law to have your license plate covered in the state of Florida. Should be fine, just because I know probably on the bottom of this it will say that it's good for a year on the date.
Okay.
Do you want to come and see what I'm talking about?
No, I believe you. It just must have slid down because it wasn't like that.
Do you want to try to fix it?
No, I'll just take it off. I mean,
okay.
Can I get to my destination and take it off?
I mean, you could take it off now if you wanted it to. I'm in
the middle of traffic. I mean, you're not asking me to take it off and risk my life to take off a bike rack when I'm going to Wawa right now to get gas.
So you are the one that stopped here. Okay.
Well, what am I
Secondly,
supposed to do? You pulled me over.
You asked me a question and I answered your question.
Okay, well, I'm asking you another.
So you want to keep arguing about it here while I'm standing out here on the side of the road?
You pulled me over.
I did.
Okay, well, but you could have walked on that side to make sure you were safe.
Okay, what are you okay? Are you experiencing some kind of medical issue? Because you're shaking and you're...
I'm shaking?
Yeah, you were shaking.
Oh my God, give me a break. I'll take it off. Let me risk my life.
No. Stop.
Oh my God, are you
told
serious
you not to
right
open
now?
the door, and you opened the door.
You just told me to get the out.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
You said, do you want to remove it? And I said,
you said no. So I told you, okay, that's fine. And you tried to open your door, and I said no.
So you slammed my leg in it?
I
want your sergeant right now. I want your sergeant
step out of the vehicle.
No, I want your sergeant
step
right now.
Step out of the vehicle.
No. I don't
step
have
out of the vehicle.
No.
Step out of the vehicle.
I want your sergeant.
Step out of the vehicle, ma'am.
No, I feel very unsafe with you right now. You have a gun. I want your sergeant.
Step out of the vehicle. Do not close the door. Step out of the vehicle.
No, I will not.
I think they're both kind of like, I don't know. I don't think she was a complete a-hole, but something not right with him neither. So it's really clashing. Yeah. Something ain't right.
No, I'm not going anywhere. My car's off. I want your sergeant. I feel unsafe with you. There is no reason for you to do what you did.
You tried to open up the door on me. I told you no.
Off my bike rack
I told you no.
Asked me to.
I told you no.
You asked me to take off my bike rack.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
Now I told you no.
I would like to have your sergeant, please.
Ma'am, please step out of the vehicle.
No, for what?
Because I am telling you to step out of the vehicle because of your behavior. Step over here to the side of the road. Step over here to the side of the road. Take a seat.
No, I'm not sitting on the ground.
Take a seat.
I am not sitting on the ground.
I'm going for it. Take a seat.
I'm not sitting on the ground.
Take a seat.
I'll sit right here. What are you gonna? You want me to sit on the ground?
Over here on the sidewalk.
On the sidewalk.
To get you out of the road, yes.
Oh, now you want me out of the road. Oh, now you want me out of the road.
There was a lot of anger building up in the woman, but she didn't realize she was heading toward big trouble.
This man right here just pulled me out of my car because I have a bike rack that he has. Oh, and it's not even covering my tag. Oh.
Get out of the roadway.
No. This man right here told me that it's covering my tag.
Get out of the roadway.
It's not covering my tag.
Please get out of the roadway.
Mr. Sing Song is not bringing me his sergeant. He wants to arrest me after he just asked me to pull my bike rack off of my car, and now he wants me to sit in the grass.
I actually said sidewalk. It's all recorded.
Okay, first you wanted me to sit here, and then you put me here. Okay, I'll stand right here for you. Are you happy?
Thank you.
Or would you like me to squat?
I would like you to sit down.
I'm not sitting. You can kiss my...
All right.
You can kiss my...
Good.
Honestly, I can see why she's upset. Like, I'm not even gonna sit here and be like, yo, she's completely wrong and this and that. Like, that cop he flip-flops. He's too flip-floppy for me. Like, first it was, you know, the thing is blocking it or whatever. She's like, well, can I get to my destination? Cool. Then he's like, no, you could take it off here if you want. So then she goes, no. But then she's like, all right, fine. I'll take it out. Like, you know, and then he shuts the door. Like, yeah, I can see her frustration, and I would be frustrated too, honestly.
It's not covering my tag.
It is, ma'am. I was unable to read.
It's not covering my
video.
tag. How is it covering my tag?
Because it is not able to be read from behind.
You can't read that. You can't read that.
Stay out of the road.
I'm not going in the road.
You're in the road. Under arrest. Stop. Stop. You're under arrest.
Why?
You're under arrest. Drop your phone.
No.
No. Stop.
I'm
Stop.
not resisting arrest. Are you serious right
Stop.
now? Are you
Give me your
serious
phone
right now?
so it doesn't break. So it doesn't break.
Oh, let me
Give
put
me
it
your
in my
phone.
pocket.
Give me your phone.
Are you serious right now?
Stop.
Stop what? I'm not even resisting arrest. Help! Help!
Stop 981 in custody.
Help!
We're good.
No, we're not. He threw me on the ground.
Ma'am, it's all on body camera. I
Yeah.
did not throw you on the ground.
All because you said he can't see my tag.
We're good.
Help! He's doing this because he says he can't see my tag.
So she's going for resisting. Okay. She kept wanting to go up in the roadway.
I'm not resisting. He asked me to take my tag off. Can I at least call my daughter,
You
please?
can call her at jail.
Oh my God.
Now, ma'am, are you okay? Do you need medical service?
No, these are too tight.
They're not.
They are.
On body camera.
They're hurting my wrist. Can you loosen them just a little
They're
bit?
not meant to be comfortable.
Oh my God.
So you obviously have every right to record, but you do not have a right to put that phone so close to my face. So you're also being charged with assault.
I didn't touch you.
Oh, he bugging.
You don't have. That's why you're not getting battery on a law enforcement officer. You're getting assault.
Yeah, nah, I ain't. Yeah, this cop, he goofy. No. Like, yeah, they both could have conducted themselves a whole lot better, but I mean, nah, he goofy, man.
Can you let go of my arm, please?
Nope. Now, so I'm trying to take off this watch so it doesn't, get scratched up. I was able to undo the clasp. Is there anything else I need to do? Because it's not coming off, so I just don't want to break it.
I don't know, I can't see.
I mean, this is your watch, right?
I can't see what you're doing.
So the clasp is out. One more. There you go. Thank you. Okay. Got it? Good.
Yeah, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay.
What is it?
It's my
Okay.
key.
I don't
It's
know
just
you,
my
I don't
key.
care.
It's
Grab your
okay.
key,
It's
okay?
my key and that's where I keep my key. It's okay. I got lipstick or chapstick in this one. Can I please call my daughter and have her come get my car, please?
No, ma'am.
Let me guess, it's getting told.
They got body cameras.
Yeah. I don't really want to get involved, but if she files a complaint or some stupid shit, I'll just give her my name and number because I did see enough of what she was doing.
Usually, people become argumentative and insult officers while seated in their cars. But this woman chose to be the better person.
What happened here?
I don't know. I'm going to be completely honest. I really think, I don't think that I should be pulled over at all for that, to be honest.
Okay.
I can see right here
Okay.
where you're talking about.
So
To be
it's
completely honest,
okay. So
I can.
I don't pull people over for no reason.
I'm sorry.
So-
I'm not usually like this. I saw
But
you
what-
coming, and I'm like, I wasn't even speeding, and I'm like, please. And then I just lost it. I did. I'm going to be completely honest. I don't know why.
Is there a reason why? Because I'm not here to take you to jail.
I don't want to go
My
to jail.
my
I'm
whole
really
intention was to make you aware of this and then give you a warning.
Okay, well, I'm sorry.
That was my whole intention.
I'm sorry, I didn't know. To be completely upfront and honest with you, I had no idea that it was covered. I've been driving around for that on my car for 3 weeks. And that one and I live in Largo, and that one person called me.
Yeah, because nobody ain't going to stop you for no BS like that, man.
You couldn't see my tag. How am I supposed... Like, if I have a bike on it, it's okay, but if I don't have a bike on it, it's not? That's what I don't understand. These are...
So here, the thing about
I'm so sorry, I'm not usually like that. I don't know what the got into me, to be completely honest.
I don't know, that's why I'm trying to figure out, is there, and I'm not trying to be disrespectful, okay, but I do need to know.
There's nothing wrong. I have
Is there
no
any mental...
Nothing? Nothing. I literally thought you were being a... To be completely honest, you're pulling me over for my bike rack. I'm honest. I'm just trying to be honest with you.
So initially, and when you passed me on East Bay, because people do this a lot of times to cover their registration.
I would never do that.
I know. I don't know that. But from my angle, it looked like it said 1222. So that's why I made the determination to try and find you and pull you over, just to verify that, because I could not read your license plate.
I can see that
from there.
Like when I got up close with my phone, I can see it fine. But sitting right here where you're sitting, I see that bottom rack, the bottom part, is what's blocking it. I'm going to so lose my job right now. I have never been in handcuffs in my entire life. I'm like 60 years old. I've had a lot of speeding tickets, but I've never been in handcuffs, ever. I have never had somebody slam the door on me.
And trust me, I understand what you mean, but I've also don't. If I asked you to come out of the vehicle and I gave you that opportunity, you told me no.
I know I didn't feel safe, to be completely honest.
And I get that.
You should have just asked me to turn
I
over
get that.
a little more.
However, once you then try to open up the door, I'm going to close that door because I don't know what you're doing.
You wouldn't feel safe. I understand. I do understand. I am for law enforcement, and I don't know why I acted like that. I have never in my entire life ever acted like that. Ever. I am so ashamed of myself. I don't even want you to call my daughter because I am ashamed to be in handcuffs right now. This is what my dad was.
So I have discretion on certain things. Unfortunately, I can't just let you go because of what just happened. But what I can tell you is that I will charge you the lowest misdemeanor I can.
You still have to take me to jail, though?
You're still going to have to take a ride. And your bond's probably going to be like $250 or $500. To a bail bondsman company, it's 10% of that.
I'm sorry.
You're fine.
Can you grab my glasses so my dog... They're on the floor. They fell off.
Yep. Just do me a favor and turn around. Just face this way.
I'm not going anywhere.
I got you.
I'm not a troublemaker.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch you into these cuffs.
Honestly, I want to run this encounter in the beginning, because I'm so confused how this escalated like this. Like, I feel like they both played a part in how this turned out. Like, I feel like, nah, man, this ain't right, man. Hold on. So we at 11:47. All right, I'm gonna put it right back.
At home.
Okay, so why do you have the bike rack up blocking your license plate?
I didn't realize it was bike blocking my license plate.
But
it wasn't.
You literally have to attach it to where your license plate is.
Well, it slides around. It might have slid down.
Okay.
Can you give your driver's license, registration, insurance?
Is it against the law to have my bike back? I didn't realize
It's against the law to have your license plate covered in the state of Florida. Should be fine, just because I know probably on the bottom of this it will say that it's good for a year on the date.
Okay.
Do you want to come and see what I'm talking about?
No, I believe you. I just must have slid down because it wasn't like that.
Do you want to try to fix it?
No, I'll just take it off.
Okay.
Can I get to my destination and take it off?
I mean, you could take it off now if you wanted it to. I'm
in the middle of traffic. You're not asking me to take it off and risk my life to take off a bike rack when I'm going to Wawa right now to get gas.
So you are the one that stopped here. Okay.
Well, what am I
Secondly,
supposed to do? You pulled me
you
over.
asked me a question and I answered your question.
Okay, well, I'm asking you another.
So you want to keep arguing about it here while I'm standing out here on the side of the road?
You pulled me over.
I did.
Okay, well, but you could have walked on that side to make sure you were safe.
Okay, what, are you okay? Are you experiencing some kind of medical issue? Because you're shaking and you're...
I'm shaking?
Yeah, you were shaking.
Oh my God, give me a break. I'll take it off. Let me rest my life.
No. Stop.
Oh my
Stop.
God, are you
I told you not to
right
open
now?
the door, and you opened the door.
You just told me to get the out.
No, I did not.
No, he did not say you couldn't open the door. Like, this is the miscommunication part. Like, because he said that she could take it off now, but she was worried about the safety or whatever. And that, nah, they both, this is bullshit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This is bullshit. I can see her frustration, but the cop, he's too wishy-washy. It's like, do you want him to do this? Do you want her to do that? Like, she said that she could take it off now. She said, you know, she didn't feel safe or whatever. And then he's like, you know, do you want to argue back and forth now or whatever? She's like, all right, fine, whatever. I'll take it off then. And then you slammed the door and then you lied and said, I told you not to come out or something like that. What? Nah, man. Nah, man. This ain't right.
Switch you into these cups. They're a little bit more comfortable, okay?
Thank you. It's fine.
Why that?
That's
I'm not.
felony though, right?
No, I'm not charging you with the felony assault. I'm not charging you with.
Yeah, because the BS charge. The phone?
Yeah.
Come on.
I know I was I don't deserve it, but thank you. At least I
Now.
I don't think I'll lose my job now.
No, you shouldn't. Do you still want a supervisor out to come talk with you?
If they can release me, yeah.
He can't release you. I'm sorry.
No.
The daughter arrived at the scene shortly after, but she didn't say the typical things a relative would say to defend their next of kin.
Again, I do apologize for the situation.
I'm sorry too.
It's okay. Because the state will probably want to figure out my opinion. I don't. If there's like just some kind of diversion, I have no problem with a diversion program. It's just because of what transpired, she had to go for something. So I'll try to, and I'll put in my report that after everything was all said and done, you know, she was very, very apologetic, things of that nature, and the state will typically like things like that.
Just a history of abuse. I mean, it doesn't make it right.
I get, no, trust me, I
think she
understand.
felt threatened, and you know, at that moment, she wasn't straight, and that's just, it is what it is.
I got you.
So
I did not give her the phone because when you do get out, you
I'll need her.
you'll
Okay.
need to.
Can you?
Yeah, how do I do it?
And I'll tell myself, say I figured you got the whole deal.
Yes, ma'am. Put your feet underneath this.
Under?
Yes.
Go ahead and widen your stance for me. Nothing like you're not supposed to have, right? No drugs, weapons, nothing like that?
She does have a stone in her
I have
bra.
a stone.
Okay.
We haven't had females of it.
Okay.
I can take it out. It's just a rock. It's supposed to protect me, and obviously
Go
didn't
ahead
do
and
a
put your hands up for me.
good job.
All right, just watch your step, watch your head going in.
Oh, good. I'm by myself.
Yeah.
She was charged with resisting arrest. YouTube thinks you'll love
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.